afternoon, everyone. We're going to talk about open houses on the listing side. So when I set up for open houses, I talk to my clients at the beginning when we get our listing taken care of, meaning I set up for photos, I set up for our open houses, for our drone work, everything all at once. So basically we get the listing, we get the home prepped with the seller, we then schedule all our appointments and we schedule our open houses. We schedule our open houses on Thursdays when we list the properties. We usually have about 70 to 110 people through the homes at a time. That's how we, produce many buyers that are going to have, the ability to put an offer in on our listing, your home. So basically we schedule all the appointments. People will do what's called, their pre-inspections, again, so that they can put a strong offer in, with the least bit of contingencies as possible. So at the end of the day, we have really strong offers for our clients. As we have people through the home, I do expect that my sellers remove any valuables, jewelry, medications, anything that of sentimental value that you would not want stolen. We never want that to happen, and it really barely ever does, but there's always the opportunity. So I want to make sure that everybody puts everything in safekeeping. We will set the hours. You will know what hours that is, so that you can be away and get back home when we're done and we lock up. We do our special cupcakes, and we do a lot of online SEO work so that we do attract a lot of buyers to our homes. But as we go through the process, I will keep you guys posted.